Oh man, oh man, oh man. Moving this cooler out the way. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Man, today, well, this week, let's just get straight into it, you know what I'm saying? Let me start up this screen recorder. Let me start up the screen recorder right now. One, boom, it just started. Look at your screen, fellas. 1.8, and I think I was in it in like, bro, I think I was only in that trade for like an hour and a half, and guess where, and guess where I was at? Nigga, I was laying in the bed, chilling. Watched a little bit of Destroying, bumped some J Critch, ate some Pop-Tarts and milk, and I down there made 2 bands. Now listen, we not live yet, but just imagine. Well, not even imagine, because we gonna get there. 11K. Almost 12K, my nigga. In 1 week. Once we go live, imagine making 12K in 1 week. Just clicking buttons, bro. Not even to say, let's say if you don't even have a job, you just made 12K. Let's say if you have a job on top of that, bro. Why I be trying to tell y'all, bro? Like, this shit ain't no game. This shit ain't no game, bro. Like, tell my young people, not even if you young, bro. Find something that can make you bread and lock the fuck in, bro. I'm 4 years into this shit, bro. 4. All them distractions, bro, like, nigga, y'all gotta let them shits go. Whether it's drugs, women, partying, bro, let that shit go and lock the fuck in, bro. Motherfuckers can call me boring for not going nowhere, not want to go party, not want to go do this, but nigga, I'm getting money, bro. I'm getting money, nigga. I'm getting money, nigga. Even when I wasn't making bread, bro, I was locked the fuck in, bro. I was locked in learning this shit, bro, because I knew this is the shit I wanted to get into, and I know life this shit. I'm talking about day in, day out. Bro, when I was learning this shit, bro, I had a girlfriend at the time. Bro, you can go ask her. I used to be on the phone, FaceTime, locked the fuck in. I probably wasn't even talking like that. Because I knew in the future, whether this girl stay with me or whether she leave me, money, nigga. Money. Money. Like, anyways, I'm going to get straight into the video. I just wanted to, like, talk to y'all fellas, bro. Like, nigga, this shit is real life. Anyways, today's trade, bro. No indicators, no nothing. This is pure price action. Pure price action. Pure price action, bro. Literally. My stop losses, my one stop loss was off of price action. My take profit was off of price action. And I'm gonna break this shit down for y'all. So, and it's crazy because I was in GU. Like, I was in this trade too. Shout out to my girl Madison. She doing that trade GU. I really don't trade GU like that, so I didn't want to stay in it because I'm not really familiar with it. So I was like, EU, which is Euro USD, GU, GBP USD, kind of the same thing. They all the same currency, US dollar. So they most likely gonna reflect off of each other. And whether I stayed in this trade or stayed in both of them trades, I would have got some bread. So I'm gonna break it down to y'all. So if you look on the daily, damn, these flies, bro, relax. So if you looked on the daily, it was just bullish since what day? This shit been bullish since July 24th. Wait, no, since July the 3rd, right? I think it's like July 18th, July 17th, it's one of them days. And it's just been bullish, right? And I low-key been killing like on the 4-hour and the daily, so I'm like, I think that's how I used to trade. I recently been on the daily and the weekly, which would take longer, but I've been killing the 4-hour, so why not keep killing it, right? So I look at the 4-hour and I'm like, okay, it's breaking structure a little bit. And once you see these big bodies, whether it's buyers or sellers, once you see a big body like that, 9 times out of 10, price has to come back and fill those orders, right? And it's rather like this works for the higher time frames, this work for lower time frames. And shout out to my boy Dole, man. Really, this is kind of his strategy mixed in with mine. I see him say it all the time. Them bodies have to get filled, right? So why not get in? You feel me? Get in. I'm your Uber driver. Get in. But anyways, like, I'm gonna lock back in. So I knew that order had to be filled, and it looked like it wanted to keep breaking towards the sellers, right? So I'm like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm up some money this week, so rather if I lose, you know what I'm saying, I'm using some of the profits already used from other trades. That's what you guys should do, honestly. If you want to risk big, if you don't have a lot of confluences, well, I wouldn't trade without a lot of confluences. I'm not telling y'all to trade without confluences, but you know what I'm saying, if you guys want to risk more money, use the money that you already profited from, right? Don't use the money that you worked a 9 to 5 to put in your account, or even if you're on a prop firm like me, don't waste most of your prop firm money that you could trade with. Wait until you come up off some breads, off of a smarter setup, and you can scalp a pair like this and make some more G's, you feel me? But this is purely price action, and low-key, okay, I'm gonna teach y'all something. The thing that made me get in for sure, let me break this down to y'all. I don't use MetaTrader anymore to trade on, but it does have my old indicators on there. And yeah, so I'm gonna put you on free game, bro, free game. So I can't like reverse the time on MetaTrader, but let me teach y'all. So the ADX is goated, right? Shout out to my boy Kale. My best friend taught me how to use ADX when I was like, what, 19-ish, 20, somewhere around there. That's when I learned ADX. But so when I first started trading around 2020, I think I was like 18 going into 19 at the time. I was just trying to like, hey, what's the quickest way to make some money, and not trying to like mentally learn how to trade. I was just trying to use indicators. And I came across the RSI with Jeremy Cash. And long story short, I did like DoorDash, Uber Eats for like a whole month and some change, bro. Literally day in, day out was doing that shit. Ran up like 1,000 and some change. And I used the RSI like how Jeremy Cash taught it. And I lost some like majority of that money. And I'm not gonna lie, that was probably like one of my points in my trading career where I like almost crashed out, like for real. Like I'm talking about, I was sneaking my mom's car to do Uber Eats, like nigga, I really grinded for that shit, right? And just to lose some of that stuff using the RSI, it was crazy, bro. And I think I did the same thing for my graduation money. I think I got like $800 from graduation, lost like 600 of it. I lost like 700 of that 1,000 I ran up. But it's crazy. That stuff don't work for me, how Jeremy Cash taught it, but I did. But Kale found a way how to use it, and bro, Kale, you are a GOAT, my nigga. So I strictly use it on the H4 or the daily or the weekly. The higher time frame, the more goated that shit is. So once I seen price like going to the sellers, and I looked on my RSI, and how you use it is, if it's selling, once it shoots through the 50 going down, you know it's gonna have hella momentum going through it, bro. Get in. I'm your Uber driver. Get in, like, bro, get in. And it's the same thing for the buys. If it's gonna cross upwards through the 50 on the RSI, you know it's gonna have hella momentum. On the H4, it's good. On the weekly, you know you're gonna be in there for a minute. On the daily, it's like, it's the same thing. Once I seen that, bro, I got in, and bro, yeah. After I seen it cross through the H4, I knew it was money time, bro. Like, if y'all want me to break down a video of like trades going through the 50 of the RSI, bro, I will. Like, that's one of my like best confluences right there. If it lines up like price action wise, and it's got like a good structure to it, and it just lines up with everything, the moving averages and stuff, and it's finna shoot through that 50, on the RSI, bro, it's money time. And as y'all see, I almost snagged 2K in an hour and some change, laying on my back, shit, stretching, burping, letting my muscles rest, bro. Like, this shit is real life. This shit is real life, bro. Like, this shit is real life, bro. Like, this shit is real life. That was a scalp trade. This video is really not gonna be that long. I just want to get across like it's, bro, even if you're not trading, even if bro, even if it's basketball, you play competitive gaming, whatever you want to do, real estate, bro, lock in, bro. Your time is now, bro. Your time is now. Nobody's gonna walk, bro. Nobody's gonna hold your hand and pull you through that grind, bro. It's you. Like, mentally start today. If you're not out, like, if you're not already started, bro, mentally start today, bro. It's hella money out here for y'all to be making, bro. It don't matter what age you is, bro. It's young niggas out here like 15, 16 making bread. Like, find the stuff that you want to do and lock the fuck in, bro. Like this trading shit is cool, but I'm just speaking in general, bro. Like, nigga, the time is now, bro. But I know I keep saying I'm gonna be done for the week, but I actually might be done for this week. The markets that gave us a lot of good setups this week, and there's a such thing as over trading and be over greedy, and you can lose all of it or damn near most of the stuff if you keep winning and you keep winning, you keep winning, you keep getting in trades, and you just think you're invincible. The markets will humble your ass, bro. So I'm actually done for this week. This is my third video for the week, bro. We've been putting in that work on our channel, and if y'all haven't hit that like button, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. I have a goal of hitting 100K. I don't care when it happens. I know I'm just gonna put in that grind to get there. So whether y'all want to help me or not, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and shoot, I really can just go back to chilling. I'm finna edit this video and post it for y'all, but after that, man, I'm chilling, bro. We almost did 12 this week, man. I'm chilling, and I'm low-key excited, but I'm just forever humble though. Like, I really want this 100K. I really want that 100K plaque. So, you know what I'm saying? Until next week, man. I can't wait to trade next week. But as far as this week goes, man, I'm done. Shoot, I done did everything. I done did everything. All the great setups I took, they paid me. So we on that way to making that 20K so I can pass this phase 1, man. I can't wait till we go live, bro. I cannot wait to get these man. I can't wait to get these payouts on the live, bro. But without further ado, man, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.